Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be going over a little problem that I've had with installing a new radio into this car. As you guys remember, this is my 2007 Jeep Liberty. It's just a little issue with the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. It's a pretty simple fix. It does cost a little bit, but just going to go over how to fix that and help you guys out. Alright, here we are inside the car, and as you can see, this is my Sony display unit that I had installed in this car probably about 5 months ago. Now, the issue that I was having, and apparently a lot of other people were having, was when you got these installed, it would come with a wired connection, which would come with this connector right here. It'd be a USB to USB-C. It would connect to your phone, or flash cable for Apple users. Basically what would happen is you'd be driving, nothing would be going on, and suddenly the Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay would suddenly crash. It would bring up this screen, a very loud static sound would play throughout the car. Very, very annoying. Wasn't too sure what was going on there. I did my research, and I found that this wireless adapter, which I guess can work for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, it is a wireless adapter that just makes it work much better. I guess there was a problem with the wire and a Wi-Fi signal that would just kind of mess with each other. And yeah, that's pretty much all this is. It's just a wireless adapter, makes it wireless, and it's actually much more enjoyable, in my opinion, to drive with this rather than the wired connection. Because this makes this pretty seamless. It connects automatically. You don't have to do anything. You just turn the car on, and it will automatically connect to your phone. It's fantastic. I highly recommend it. If you like a wired connection, that's fine too. It definitely works out, no problem like that. But yes, going over this dongle one more time. I was wrong. This is only Android Auto. There are ones that are Apple CarPlay, so there are different ones, and this same brand might include. This is a Tyran, I believe it was called. I'll have a picture of it up on the screen, link in the description for it. This was about $80 on sale, which is you can get it on sale right now. $47 with a 10% coupon on Amazon, which is nice. So the discount there. But yes, so this was about $80. Again, it's very, very useful, surprisingly useful. Just to keep it out of the way, I just tuck it down in my little cubby there. And like I said, it connects straight to my phone. There's nothing else to it. I just get in my car, it automatically connects, and I can play all my music through my stereo. Usually when it connects, there will be a little pop-up right there. There will be Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For me, it's Android Auto. And yeah, you can just click right on it. It usually opens up by itself. That also depends on your settings within the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto. And yeah, from there you have a much better connection. I have had no problems with the connectivity since I got this wireless adapter. I figured this would just be a quick little video to show off how to fix that issue, because I'm sure there's some people who get these units and sometimes it happens that way. I don't think it's just the Sony units. I think it might be any other unit, but hopefully this helps out. Hopefully you can use this and it'll have the same effect that it's had on me. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you just want to share the support, show some love to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. I do plan on making some more videos, some gaming content. This is the first video I've made since I made that Jeep video. There's a couple more things I want to do for the car, but we'll see. Time will tell. There's definitely a few other projects that I'm working on. I appreciate all the support. Yeah, from there, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.